life coming from non-life can be explained?
No. If you can explain how abiogenesis is possible, then you have answers that many biologists do not have. Basic deficiencies in chemical evolution include a lack of explanation for how it's possible that a primordial soup could arise on the early Earth's hostile environment, or how the information required for life could have been generated by blind chemical reactions. Leading evolutionary biologist Massimo Pigliucci has admitted that we really don't have a clue how life originated on Earth by natural means. Origin of life theorists have struggled simply to account for the origin of pre-biological organic chemicals on the early Earth. For example, it is now known that the gases used in the famous Miller-Urey experiments were not even present on the early Earth. But this is only the beginning of the problem. When trying to make the first life form, scientists cannot rely upon Darwinian processes. Darwinian evolution requires replication, and prior to the origin of life, there was no replication. And accounting for the origin of a self-replicating molecule would still not explain how modern cells arose. Our DNA code requires an irreducibly complex system, requiring the information in DNA, the enzymes that assist DNA's replication and protection, a protective cell membrane, and a complex system of machinery used to transcribe and translate language of DNA into protein. Now, faced with these complexity of this system, biologist Frank Salisbury said this: the entire system must come into being as one unit or it's worthless. There may well be ways out of this dilemma, but I don't see them at the moment. Neither can anyone else who looks very deeply into this subject. So it must be accepted by faith. Now that sounds very familiar. Scientists may one day create life in the lab, but they will have done so using intelligent design. The theory that life could have originated via blind, natural chemical processes and sheer dumb luck remains unexplained. As Harvard chemist George Whitesides stated about the origin of life, this problem is one of the big ones in science. It begins to place life and us in the universe. Most chemists believe, as do I, that life emerged spontaneously from mixtures of molecules in the prebiotic earth. How? I have no idea. Well, I do have an idea, and there are answers if you look for them.